For SunSpec models with curve settings, here's how curve adoption works. Here, curve 1 is a read-only curve which reflects the current settings of the DER. Curve 2 is a writable curve, so we can use this to change the settings. When curve 2 is written, for instance, the voltage for point 1 is set from 92% to 93%. This does not reflect in the value of the DER. In order to change the settings, you need to adopt curve 2. This is done using adopt curve request, where the index of the curve to be adopted is written. An adopt curve result shows whether the adoption was successful. So we write the curve 2, and when we read it, it shows that the adopt curve result is completed. And you can see that the 93% has been applied to curve 1. This is when the settings get applied to the DER.